With less than 20 to 25 days left for your RBI Grade B Phase 1 examination, many of the students now are having challenges which are associated with GA section specifically. The current affairs, which is a huge ocean. Last 6 to 8 months current affairs, ये करना है RBI Grade B Phase 1 के लिए. इतने बोलने से वो easy नहीं हो जाता है. This is a huge task. We all know that there are various problems which are associated where even current affairs is further broken down into multiple sections like PIB, government schemes, then RBI circulars, then your static GA and finance and banking current affairs. When you try to cover all of these sections and most importantly, you have to cover these topics for all 6 months, that is maybe from January to August. So how you are going to plan this preparation, coverage of current affairs and more importantly even revision. Without revision भी आप जा नहीं सकते for phase 1 exam. So that's why we have brought a very special support for all of you, a special course or pack you can call it, which will help you. It is one-stop solution for all your general awareness or current affairs queries. So if you are worried related to your overall coverage, if you are facing the problem such as, sir, from last 6 to 8 months I am reading current affairs but I don't have notes. Maybe there are other students who are problems like, sir, I did not cover diligently current affairs. कभी कभार देख लिया लेकिन पूरी तरह से कवर ही नहीं किया. There are also certain students, they are saying that, sir, I did current affairs from newspaper but now I don't remember what I read in January and I don't have notes also. So how to revise? How to be prepared for phase 1 exam which is on 8th of September. Similarly, there are also certain students who are having a doubt that, सर पीआईबी ठीक से किया है लेकिन गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स किया नहीं है. सर गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स किया है लेकिन करंट अफेयर्स नहीं किया. सो फॉर ऑल ऑफ दीज डाउट्स, whatever doubts are related to your current affairs, considering that phase 1 exam is that critical stage which either makes or breaks your selection, of which the highest mark allocation is for your general awareness, which is 80 marks. So if you want to score more in GA such that sectional cutoff तो clear हो ही जाए but overall cutoff भी ऐसे clear हो जाए. So for that we have brought revision pack for regulatory exams which will give you 3 magazines, 1 current affairs magazine which will have current affairs from January 2024 to August 2024, 1 government scheme magazine which will have government schemes from January 2024 to August 2024 and 1 PIB magazine which will have PIB from January 2024 to August 2024. 3 magazines covering current affairs, government schemes, PIB, everything. The current affairs will also include your finance current affairs and RBI circulars also. And government schemes and PIB definitely very important 3 sections and 3 magazines covering last 6 to 8 months of current affairs, January 2024 से लेके August 2024 तक. So 3 magazines you are getting and for Jan to August, downloadable PDFs are there. So if you are a student who has no notes, if you are that student जो कि self study कर रहा था, खुद से prepare कर रहे थे, you made your notes also initially but then you were not able to do up the notes. Similarly, there are various working professionals who read the news, who daily even covered the newspaper, covered current affairs also, but didn't had time to make proper notes. For them also, this is a huge opportunity where last 6 months magazine compilations through revision pack is provided. And this is for all the exams, RBI, SEBI, NABARD. All the exams are now only happening in these 2 months, phase 1 and phase 2. Where SEBI abhi phase 2 ka exam hoga and NABARD and RBI phase 1 exam is there. So for whatever exams you are preparing, these magazines are more than enough to cover your overall current affairs. Current affairs is that section in your regulatory bodies exam in phase 1 and phase 2 जो कि totally दिखता नहीं है कि current affairs कितना important है, but it has huge amount of marks either in your phase 1 exam as well as in phase 2 exam. Now how to get these magazines? I will show you how you can get these magazines here. Once you visit the Olive Board website, ठीक है, आप Olive Board website visit करो. In this section you will find regulatory section, regulatory bodies. Go in the regulatory bodies section. You will see all the courses here. 50% off is already going on because of the Independence Day. Go in the test sections. Once you go in test sections, you will see RBI Grade B here. In RBI Grade B, when you will be going, at the bottom you will find all the tests, and here you will find regulatory revision PDFs which is even given in the colored section. You click on get it now and see the pricing. It's just 999 rupees. In this 999 rupees, even in 1000 rupees, आजकल कुछ नहीं आता है. But still, in 1000 rupees, monthly current affairs, that is current affairs of 6 months, January to August 2024 has been given in one magazine. Government schemes, January to August in one magazine. PIB, January to August in one magazine. This all is downloadable only in 1000 rupees. What more do you want? So go and check out these particular magazine courses. I hope it will help you. For all the students who are even doing self-study, who have not prepared their notes, or maybe right now they require revision notes for current affairs for phase 1, definitely go and check it out. For all the students who have taken variable courses, but they don't have all the current affairs compiled at one place, they can also go here. For working professionals also. And even if you are a student who feel that still your current affairs is not prepared that well, इतना भी मेरा current affairs ठीक नहीं है, मुझे और prepare करना है या फिर मुझे एक ऐसा source चाहिए in this last 10-20 days, I'll be confident enough. Then also, these magazines can turn your preparation almost 360 degrees. अगर आपको GA current affairs का कुछ भी नहीं आता, definitely these magazines can help you out. Not only that, in each of these magazines, even MCQs are also there. So, आपको कंटेंट भी मिल रहा है, आपको MCQs भी मिल रहे हैं, और आपको क्या चाहिए, right? So go and check this out. Definitely in 1000 rupees, you will get no more. There is no other platform who is providing such a one-stop solution. Make sure you definitely get it. Thank you very much and see you next time.